Of YouTube, we reacting, baby. Disclaimer.
Think I'm happy cause I got a smile. Think that you know me, don't know what I've been through. Like 48 of me, they didn't even peep that. I got some shit that sound little. Broke
Funny, get smacked, get slayed. Punch him in the V, his fire, check the registration. Saying got all the necessary information.
Nobody gonna squeeze through that.
Take his vegetation.
Oh, that's another squeeze.
Five comma, got the keys from the car wash. I saw the red guts, got a hard on. Fuck the keys, let's bounce with the cars on. I turned that shit off, now the car's gone. Make it so close, we're sure we can bet he drive the cars off. Spend the way to get it. X7, wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a massive some gloves. Getaway striker, two guys can be enough. Cause the town's getting tough, there's a high speed chase. I'm gonna bring it home, trust me.
I really think I can do that.
Song, bro, make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy sure me, bet he drive no car, so I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a massive some gloves. Getaway striker, two guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. There's a high speed chase, I'ma bring it home, trust me.
Investigation found that 311 complaints about drag racing in the Bronx, Brooklyn, and Manhattan are up more than 1,000% from just 5 years ago. Videos of drag racing, donuts, and what's called swimming are drivers make
Song, bro, make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy sure me, bet he drive no car, so I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a massive some gloves. Getaway striker, two guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. Cause a high speed chase, I'ma bring it home, trust me. Cruising the drive, I gotta hop over gates. Got the trip for a week, they always go to sleep late.
Think that you know me, don't know what I've been through. Like 48 of me, they didn't even peep that. I got some shit that sound little.
How to steal Mopar. That boy sure me, bet he drive no car.
Alright, this is part 2, y'all.
Way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a massive some gloves. Getaway striker, two guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. Cause a high speed chase, I'ma bring it home, trust me.
It's not easy.
It's just crazy because we've done like 10 runs like this and never had issues like this.
Yo, this nigga was hit me in the Honda.
Put this up,
Bro, everybody just cutting up now.
I want them to get a good picture.
You're good.
I know.
street racing has exploded in New York City. Our investigation found that 311 complaints about drag racing in the Bronx, Brooklyn, and Manhattan are up more than 1,000% from just 5 years ago. Videos of drag racing, donuts, and what's called swimming are drivers make
Song, bro, make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy sure me, bet he drive no cars. I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a massive some gloves. Getaway striker, two guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. There's a high speed chase, I'ma bring it home, trust. It's crazy if you lose him, then it's fried. Dump him in the river, gotta find another ride. I just pulled out the tracker with RS5. I like to go out of town, cause there's far less crime. Mopars are easiest, the Benzos is hard. GLE, I stole the keys from your mom. Once you yank out the tracker, switch your place, and you're gone. I got the drop on a crib that got an RS and vibe. Ride around the city, just waiting for a sign. See some bad, take it, just cruising. That's why I'm stalking from Greenpoint to Lexington 39. To watch him walk in the deli as I got in my ride. Crash dummies, we can take your car at the light. Point a gun in the window, no, we don't like to fight. Get the fuck out, I need the keys to your life. If you try to move funny, get smacked, get spiked. Punch him in the V, if his fire, check the registration. Say you got all the necessary information. If the car comes from a plug, take his vegetation. If you get knocked, no explanation. 5 comma, got the keys from a car wash. I saw the red guts, got a hard on. Fucking keys, let's bounce with the cars on. I turned that shit off, now the car's gone. Song, bro, make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy sure me, bet he drive no cars. I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a massive gloves. Getaway striker, two guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. Cause a high speed chase, I'ma bring it home, trust me.
down real quick and then go pick him up.
Yeah.
Okay? Right here. Take the exit here. Slow down. Take the exit right here. You're good. You're good. That ass him.
What happened?
Necessary information. The car comes from a plug, take his vegetation. If you get knocked, no explanation. I have 5 count, got the keys from the car wash. My son of red guts got a hard on. Fucking keys, let's bounce if the car's on. I turn that shit off, now the car's gone. Make it so Betty drive no cars, I'll explain the way to get it. X7, wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a mask and some gloves. Getaway striker, 2 guys can be enough. Cause the town's getting tense, it's a high-speed chase. I'ma bring it home, trust me. Song, bro, make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy sure me, Betty drive no cars. I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a mask and some gloves.
remember this
Getaway striker, 2 guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. There's a high-speed chase, I'ma bring it home,
Our
trust me.
investigation found that 311 complaints about drag racing in the Bronx, Brooklyn, and Manhattan are up more than 1,000% from just 5 years ago. Videos of drag racing, donuts, and what's called swimming, where drivers weave to
Song, bro, make a song, how to steal Mopar. That boy sure me, Betty drive no cars. I'll explain the way to get a new X7. Wanna get jiggy, get an RS7. Cherry picking first, you need a mask and some gloves. Getaway striker, 2 guys can be enough. Time to drive out to Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. Cause a high-speed chase, I'ma bring it home, trust me. Screams in the driveway, gotta hop over gates. Got a trip for a week, they always go to sleep late.
Oh, right in front of the police.
Pearly lights, they shine so bright. Bottles open, it's a Friday night. Feeling loose with every sip. Sing and sway, let the music hit. Friends are laughing, everything's a blur. Dancing crazy, don't care who's there. Another round and another toast. Chasing dreams with every single dose. Getting drunk, feeling free.